Okay, problem 6. We've got 5x squared plus 13x minus 6 divided by x plus 3 times 1 over 5x minus 2. Okay, so let's factor the 5x squared plus 13x minus 6 using the AC method. So coefficient in front of x squared, so 5 times the constant negative 6. So that's going to give me negative 30. And we want to list the pair of factors that multiplies to negative 30 adds to 13. So negative 2 times positive 15 will equal negative 30 and add to 13. So I'm going to rewrite this as 5x squared minus 2x plus 15x minus 6. And then I'm going to factor by grouping. So the first two terms, I could factor out an x. So it would be x times 5x minus 2. So our common binomial is going to be 5x minus 2. And 3 times 5x will be 15x, and 3 times negative 2 will be negative 6. So my factored form is going to be x plus 3 times 5x minus 2. So up top we've got x plus 3 times 5x minus 2 times 1 all over x plus 3 times 5x minus 2. Okay, so we're going to cancel common binomials out. We're left with 1 on top and actually 1 on bottom. So again, a 1 over 1, so that just equals 1.